Hi there. Today I am going to do a quick demonstration of one of the projects that I have successfully delivered using Zoho Creator. This project has helped one of the biggest facilities management companies in the US by creating a centralized and remote accessible system. This application is used for getting real-time updates from facilities regarding the assets, metrics, list of maintenance works, etc. The top functionalities are: first, tailored dashboards for admins and work orders; second, central database for comprehensive facilities management; third, extensive profiling of companies, branches, sites and buildings; fourth, structured module for employee hierarchy; fifth, streamlined inventory and vendor management with analytical reporting; sixth, efficient asset request management with real-time updates; seventh, robust incident tracking for enhanced oversight; eighth, comprehensive expense tracking mechanism for financial control. This project has been developed to offer a comprehensive solution for facilities management companies, enabling them to streamline operations, improve decision making, and deliver better services to their clients by maintaining cost efficiency and compliance. I have customized a Zoho Creator platform to create a rational and logical facilities management system. The first part of this project was the tailored dashboards for admins and work orders. These dashboards are customized and designed to cater to the distinct needs of administrators and work order management. Admin dashboard offers an insightful overview of key performance indicators, weekly and priority indicators, with critical alerts. Work order dashboard facilitates efficient tracking, assignment, and real-time monitoring of work orders. In the second part of this project, I have created a central database for comprehensive facilities management system. It is a unified database serving as a single source of all important information related to facilities, assets, performance metrics, and maintenance activities. Coming to the third part of the project, extensive profiling. This module creates detailed profiles which captures the information pertaining to companies, branches, site locations, and buildings with all of its data, including contact details, architectural layouts, and equipment inventory. The fourth part of this project was a structured module for employee hierarchy. This is a hierarchical module which facilitates structured management of employees and delineation of roles and responsibilities. It empowers administrators to create, edit, and manage employee profiles, departments, and access privileges with precision. In the fifth part of this project, streamline inventory and vendor management with analytical reports, here is an integrated system with streamlined management of inventory and vendors, augmented with insightful analytical reporting capabilities. Coming to the sixth part of this project, efficient asset request management with real-time updates. I have created a feature-rich system facilitating streamlined submission and tracking of asset requests with instantaneous updates. In the seventh part of this project, robust incident tracking for enhanced oversight. It empowers both managers and staff to diligently record and manage various incidents, ranging from maintenance issues to safety concerns. In the eighth part of this project, comprehensive expense tracking mechanism for financial control, the system meticulously captures and manages financial transactions associated with facilities management. It allows for precise tracking of expenses related to maintenance, repairs, supplies procurement, and vendor services. Overall, this system centralizes data, enhances efficiency, promotes transparency, and improves decision making. It fosters collaboration, reduces costs, ensures compliance, and offers scalability and robust security features in the facility. I have delivered many more such projects on Zoho Creator and other Zoho products like books, projects, desk, people, CRM, bookings, etc. I can write custom codes in PHP and Python and link any Zoho product with any kind of third-party application in the world. Hope to partner with you on our next project. Thank you so much.